Business and Trade from BA16. And today, our topic is all about comparison of domestic and global mindset.
I'm called Kimberly P. Edesha, and I'm talking about comparison of domestic and global mindset. First, we will talk about the domestic mindset. So, what is domestic mindset? Domestic mindset refers to a way of thinking where a company or individual primarily focuses on their own local market and operations, with limited consideration for international expansion or local market dynamics. Essentially, prioritizing business within their home country and not actively seeking opportunities abroad. It's the opposite of a global mindset. So, ang global mindset is tumutukoy sa paraan ng pag-iisip kung saan ang isang kumpanya o individual company ay pangunahing nakatuon sa kanilang sariling lokal na merkado o operasyon. Key about domestic mindset. Focus on local market. Companies with a domestic mindset primarily cater to customers within their own country, understanding local needs and trends, but not actively exploring international markets. So, that is, limitadong kaalaman sa global ay maaaring hindi sila bihisa sa mga international na kasanayan sa negosyo, mga kultural na nuances, o mga potential drawbacks. While domestic mindset can be effective for companies operating in stable local markets, it can limit growth potentially by neglecting opportunities in the global marketplace. Bagamat ang pagkakaroon ng lokal na pananaw ay sa pandaigdigang merkado.
Good day everyone, my name is Kiara Marie and Ombrano. This is our example of domestic mindset. First is marketing strategy. A marketing team solely focuses on creating campaigns tailored and to the domestic market using language and references that resonate only with local customers without considering international adaptation. Ang isang pagkat ng pagbimerkado ay nakatuon lamang sa pagmula ng mga kumpanya na para sa lokal na merkado. Ang pangalawang example ng domestic mindset is product development. A company design a product primarily for the needs of their home country's consumers without considering potential limitation or different global markets. Ang isang kumpanya na dinisenyo ng produkto pangunahin sa mga pangangailangan ng mga mamimili sa kanilang sariling bansa. At ang pangatlong example ng domestic mindset is hiring practice. A company primarily recruits candidates with experience within the domestic market, overlooking potential talent from other countries. Ang kasanayan sa pagkuha, ang isang kumpanya ay pangunahing kumukuha ng mga kandidato na may karanasan sa loob ng lokal na merkado na binabaliwala ang potensyal na talento mula sa ibang mga bansa.
My name is Dodi Nilapo. So now I'm talking about global mindset. Global mindset refers to the ability to understand and incorporate diverse cultural norms, traditions, beliefs, and information from various cultures to enhance effectiveness. It allows individuals or businesses to interact successfully across international boundaries and adapt to different environments. This mindset helps overcome limitation in cross-cultural interaction and enable businesses to thrive globally. It involves recognizing that no single culture holds the ultimate way of doing things and embracing the idea of learning from different practices. Global mindset is tutukoy sa kakayahan na unawain at isama ang iba't ibang pangkayang tradisyon, paniniwala at impormasyon mula sa iba't ibang kultura. So, upang makausayan ng pagiging epektibo, nagbigay dahil sa mga individual o negosyo ng pag-ugnayan, daan ng matagumpay sa mga internasyonal na hangganan. At umangkop sa iba't ibang paligiran. At what is global mindset and why it is important? So, global mindset describes the ability to create and learn different traditions and cultures worldwide, and to create ideas to impact all environments positively. A global mindset is important as it enhances customer services and encourages cultural awareness. So, global mindset is kakayahan na pahalagahan at matuto mula sa iba't ibang tradisyon at kultura sa buong mundo. At lumikha ng mga ideya na positibong maka-apekto sa lahat ng kapaligiran. Mahalaga ang global mindset dahil pinabuti ito.
I am Richard Marketing strategy. A company develops a marketing campaign with flexible messaging that can be adapted to different cultural contexts, utilizing translation and culturally relevant imagery for various international markets. Estratehiya sa marketing. Ang isang kumpanya ay bumubuo ng kampanya sa marketing na may nababagong mensahe na tunal sa merkado. So the second example is product development. A company designs a product with features that can be customized for different regional needs, considering factors like climate, regulations, and consumers' preferences, environment. Ang pagbuo ng produkto ay kapag ang isang kumpanya ay gumagawa ng isang produkto na maaaring baguhin sa iba't ibang pangangailangan sa iba't ibang lugar. Isinaalang-alang ng mga bagay tulad ng klima, mga regulasyon at kagustuhan ng mga mamimili sa iba't ibang bansa. The third example is cross-cultural collaboration. A team includes members from different countries actively working to understand each other's cultural perspectives and collaborating on projects with global outlook. And the last one is global talent acquisition. A company actively seeks out diverse candidates from different regions to bring a variety of perspectives and experiences to the team. Ang isang grupo ay binubuo ng mga membro mula sa iba't ibang bansa na aktibo nagsisikap na maunawaan ang mga pananaw ng iba't ibang at natutulungan sa proyekto. Comparison of domestic and global mindset is domestic is expertise in a function, e.g. marketing, accounting, and finance. A need to prioritize in a step-by-step fashion. Hierarchical cultures is usual, individual responsibility is encouraged, eliminate surprises. While the global mindset is based on a broad, general view with a functional expertise, a need to balance contradictions and recognize paradoxes and challenges, emphasis on diversity and teamwork, emphasis on processes, view change as an opportunity built in opportunities for surprise. Up with our topic today. So the summary is, a domestic mindset focuses primarily on operations within one's own country, prioritizing local practices and norms. While a global mindset actively embraces diverse cultures and markets worldwide, demonstrating adaptability and understanding of different business practices around international borders. Essentially, a domestic mindset